Hi, welcome everyone, Daniela here, and I want to show you my first layout created with the December kits. And I used the main kit and the embellishment kit, which I like a lot, and also the cardstock kit and two of the dies. First of all, I used the scallop arc border die, and then I also used the holiday phrases. And well, whenever I get my box, I am curious what I find, and I wanted to make it a bit easier. So I picked three main things from the kit. And first of all, I want to work with the puffy stickers, the word phrases, and also these beautiful die cuts from the embellishment kit. And then as a third thing, I've chosen the papers because, yeah, pattern papers are one of my guilty pleasures and I can't get enough of those. So I skipped through all the papers included in the kit, and I want to choose three different papers to have a nice color combination, and I just flip through the sides and see what patterns we got. So I set this first one aside. This is a green one, which I want to use in combination with two more papers. And well, I think that this pink one is a nice addition, and then I also want to use this one. It has beautiful little snowflakes, and so I have green, pink and blue, and I also add an orange cardstock, and I want to use this paper for backing my white cardstock, which will hold the whole layout together. So I'm working with the scallop border die and the chosen pattern papers, and now I also want to cut off the edges from the white cardstock. So I'm going for 2 inches on two sides so that I have a kind of frame around the cardstock later. And now it's time to place my die cut pieces here on the white cardstock, and you see that this is a nice color combination, and I have chosen to work with 3 pink ones and 2 greens, 2 blues, and just 1 orange border here. And this way I can place them here on the white cardstock, and the orange piece is an additional one here. It kind of pops out, and I like this effect a lot. And I also have to admit that I'm really in love with this border die. So take a look at the 3D element it creates. And now I want to place 3 clusters here on the background. So I'm working with a circled picture, a round picture this time, and I just back it with a yellow piece of paper, and I will use the same paper for 2 more circles. But first of all, I want to place some of these pretty die cuts here behind the picture, so I have a little cluster here. And then I also want to have 2 more clusters, and I spread them all over the page so that I have 3 spots, sorry, like a little triangle. And now it's time to work with the holiday word stencil, and I have just cut the word happy from the cardstock included in the cardstock kit, and now I am working with the stencil, and I've picked 3 different ink pads from former color kits. And this stencil is so much fun. You can choose every color that fits your project and make your own words. And yeah, this is so much fun to do, and it's really easy, I have to say. First of all, I thought, oh, maybe it will be messy, but it's really easy, and I had a lot of fun playing with the colors. And let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of overlapping, so the single letters are overlapping, and this creates a great effect. Okay, so I put this word on the yellow circle that I punched out, and now I also want to have some die cut pieces here, and this is a nice little cluster that I can place on the upper side. And now I have to think about a few more elements. Just place some of the die cuts here around the cluster, so it's like spreading over the page, and it also kind of links all the elements if you spread some smaller pieces all over the page. All right, so here is the third cluster. It will be the title, and I am working with the beautiful puffy word stickers here, and or phrase stickers, and I've chosen the word winter, and yeah, just put the single letters here on the cluster as well. And now I can start to choose some more embellishments to yeah, add some more details. And yeah, this yellow little star is a pretty one, and then I also want to have this phrase saying love winter, and the little bow, which I love. The colors are just great, they match my color scheme. We have smaller circle elements on different papers this month, and also in the Pocket Life kit, and I just yeah, cut out some of those circle elements, so I have a lot of circles all in all here, and the scallops are also kind of circle shaped, or round at least, so we have all the roundness here on the page, which is yeah, a nice thing to have. It creates kind of harmony, and yeah, you can combine around things quite easily. And yeah, I also want to have some golden accents, so I choose some of the hearts which you can find on the alphabet set sheet this month, and yeah, just spread those over the page again, so some more shiny elements. And now I also add some sewing yarn, which is quick and easy way to gain more dimension and more details. And I place the yarn just where my clusters are. And now I also want to have the numbers or the year, which is 24, of course, so winter 24 is the title. And yeah, that's what you can do easily, combining different alphabet stickers or word stickers and another set of alphas. It makes everything more versatile, and yeah, adds a special touch as well. And first of all, I thought I add some more of those puffy phrases, but then I was yeah, satisfied with what I've chosen in the first place. So this is what my layout turned out in the end. I hope you like my way of using my favorite things from the kit. Thanks so much for watching, and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.